Graham has his gloves on, and we are outside because it is cool. Elephant's toothpaste definitely is pretty messy. So here's what we did. In this bigger container, this bigger beaker, we did our hydrogen peroxide. The other thing Graham's going to put in here is a squirt of the bubbles. Go ahead and put just a squirt in there, guy, not a ton. If you put too much, it doesn't really work.
What does?
Go ahead and put the squirt of that stuff in the thing.
What? Just one drop?
A little bit more than one drop, maybe. A little bit more.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. So as you can see, we did not put that much in. It's just enough to make that reaction happen. Okay. Next thing you want to do is put in food dye. So I recommend one or two colors. What color do you want, Graham? I would do maybe. What about?
Blue.
Okay, you want to just do blue? Okay, just do blue.
And red.
No, how about let's try one and just see what happens. So put in your food dye. You can do different ones, and if you put it down the edge, it actually does look really cool, but we're just going to do this for the sake of... Okay, do some more, do some more, do some more. A little bit more, a couple more drops. A couple more drops. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, and this one we have what's called a saturated solution.
I want to do red too.
Okay, here, you can do some red too then. This is a saturated solution of potassium iodide, okay? Or sodium iodide works as well, but I can't remember which one works better. We're going to find out. So basically what a saturated solution is it is that's enough, Graham. That's fine. It's a solution that we create we dissolve as much potassium iodide or sodium iodide as we can in about 50 or 100 milliliters of water. That's about 100, okay? So, the last step is that you pour it in and back up. So I'm going to stop this for a sec, and we're going to do it. We've decided that maybe it might be a little too dangerous for Graham. This gets very, very hot. I don't know if this one's going to work or not, but remember that this is dangerous. You got to wear gloves. You got to wear eye protection. All these are just safety first, okay? So we take our saturated solution. We're going to pour it in, and we're going to see if this works. There we go. Okay, as you can see, it's an exothermic reaction that creates a lot of steam. It's very hot. So what do you think, Graham? That one didn't go as high as the last one. The last one we did... Yeah, it turns orange. The last one we did actually went higher than our roof. And I think that was with sodium iodide. So that's still cool. It's a cool chemical reaction. I'll put a couple instructions down below so that you guys can do it. Graham, success. This one looks really cool. You can see we've done blue, yellow, and red. Liam's screaming in the background. He's just so excited about this experiment. This time we're trying, we're actually going to try sodium iodide. I think I got this off Amazon. Sodium iodide. Here we go. So we've mixed it up. We made a saturated solution. And as you can see, this stuff burns your hands. That all is burned from that white stuff is burned from the hydrogen peroxide. It's really strong. So let's see if this works. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Nice. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so I think it can be determined that sodium iodide works better than potassium iodide. That was really cool. That one really high. Look at that. That's like...
How high did it go?
That's really good. About 1,000 feet in the air. That's good. That's good elephant toothpaste right there. Sodium iodide is the stuff. Very cool. Look at that. That's all over the place.
Dad, look at that con.
Yeah, you can touch it. Tell me if it's hot.
Not hot.
It's not hot?
No.
Well, it's steaming. It's got to be at least warm. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of elephant's toothpaste. If I was a real pro, I could do that in slow-mo. Liam, did you see that?
No.
Very cool. That was exciting.